Is this even Earth? Rising majestically at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima is one of the oldest geological formations on Earth, dating back over 2 billion years. This tabletop mountain, known as a tepui, stands nearly 9,200 feet tall with steep cliffs that drop hundreds of meters straight down. It's so unique that it's often called the Lost World because of its isolated ecosystem, where many plants and animals evolved without contact with the outside world. Visiting Mount Roraima is like stepping back in time, a natural wonder that leaves visitors feeling like they're on another planet entirely. Drop me! Comment with a strange destination you know, and don't forget to follow me for more amazing adventures, and take care.